You see, let me tell you something. Majority of people in the nations of our world has become a paragon of failure. Why? Because they lost focus in life. Do you understand? Majority of the people in the nations of our world, if you are taking it in ransom as 100%, over 45% of population in the nations of our world have become a paragon of failure. Why? They have become such in life probably because they lost focus in life and they did listen to the bandwagon of their detractors. You see, let me tell you something. You have to recite at the back of your mental faculty that all these people who yearn criticism, insults, who always want to sabotage you, say something to ridicule you, backbite you, mitigate your level of authority in the society or in your family. All these people are talking against you, probably because of 4 reasons. And what are these 4 reasons? Firstly, there are people talking negatively against you, not because they hate you, but probably because they don't really understand what you're doing. They have not yet come to realization to understand what you're doing, what you're pursuing in life. And probably because of that, they are talking out of misunderstanding. Do you understand? So when you listen to these people and you give ears to them, you're wasting your time. You're wasting your time because they have not yet to understood the cause that you are pursuing. I believe that everybody has a legitimate pursuit in life. And when you give ears to these people who always talk negatively, who always want to criticize you, condemn you, judge you, and put you at one corner, when you listen to these people, you're wasting your time. And at the end of the day, you are going to lose. Why? Because they have not yet come to a realization to understand your causes in life. Do you understand? So most of the people are fighting you probably because they have lost the understanding for you in life. They have not yet understood your causes and the objectives and projections that you're making in life. Probably because of this, they are talking negatively. So don't listen to them. Secondly, there are people who are very jealous of you. You see, the level that you have or the kind of influence that you have in the society, they have not come to that level or that stage in life. And probably because of that, they have taken to themselves to fight you, talk negatively against you, say things that when you do listen or when you hear them, it's going to be highly unprecedented in others of you. Do you understand? So most of the people are talking out of what? Jealousy. They have not gotten to where you are because when they spring back to life and cast their eyes around the society, everybody is following you or feels comfortable or is very happy or very fan of you. And probably because of this, they become an enemy just like that. Do you understand? So don't listen to people who are jealous of you. They can't make it up to where you are. And probably because of that, they have to sabotage you, say evil things and evil words against you, say things that you've never done, something that you never do. That is what they'll say against your life. And sometimes when you listen to some of the criticisms and attack or the insults that comes upon you, you normally give up. You feel like giving up or even killing yourself or doing something evil or negative to yourself. Don't listen to such people. They are jealous of you probably because they can't get to where you are in life. Now, the third people who are speaking evilly against your life are people who are speaking out of anger. There are people, no matter what you do, you will not please them. You can even behead yourself or kill yourself, sacrifice your life for them. Yet still, they will not appreciate you. Right? They are angry at you not because of anything. They are just angry for angry's sake. So don't listen to these people. And secondly, the fourth thing is that there are people who are talking negatively against you, probably because they are in pain. Somebody might have done something evil or negative to them, and they have inculcated in their heart the spirit of pain. And probably because of this, they are being influenced or they talk out of pain. And that is why they always say evil things against you. And these are the very 4 people who are around us. They normally say evil things against us. You hear some of the bad stuff that they normally say against your life. And sometimes some of the things that they say, when you sit down and then listen to it, it's really not making sound, or it's not making any sense at all. And they normally do it. So I just came into your way at this moment in time to just advise you that don't lose your focus. Immediately that you lose your focus. You see, life is like a driver, right? You have the system. The soul is found in your body. Listen to me. Your soul, life is like a driver driving a heavy bus. When you lose focus, immediately that you lose focus, you'll be involved in an accident. Get that? Life is like a driver driving a heavy bus. Immediately that you lose focus, you'll be involved in what? An accident. The spirit, the soul is found in this body, and the body is what? The bus. And the life that you're living is like a driving. When you lose focus in life, you become a paragon of failure. You might not be able to get to where you want to become in life. So don't lose focus. Keep your mind steadily and keep on pushing. Fight hard. Work hard. Push hard. Do away with the tears. Do away with the pains. All the troubles and atrocities that will come your way. The litigations and quarrels, the fights that will come your way. Work hard. Push hard. And keep on fighting. And you'll get to where you want to get to in life. God bless you and stay blessed. I believe that you're highly blessed. Subscribe to my Facebook page or this YouTube channel. Subscribe to it, and I believe that you're going to be a blessing. God bless you.